to tell you my story of overcoming stuttering. Lecturer of the course Breakthrough. I remember myself stuttering since 5 years old, and constantly I was looking for ways to deal with my problem, but already exciting solutions weren't giving the desired effect. By the age of 23, I was able to sort out and amend my speech in detail. On the way to achieving my goal, I was redefining, supplementing, making changes to the exciting methods of solving this problem. Over the years of teaching and interaction with various specialists, it became possible to expand the functionality of the program, leading to a sense of freedom when speech using. Our team is committed to unlocking the natural potential of your speech and its stable use at a subconscious level. We are working to ensure that your speech is spontaneous. Don't think for a long time and don't say the words to yourself many times before you speak. Quick, the ability to speak at any adequate speed. Automatic, no need to control inhalation, exhalation, voice or articulation. Everything should happen naturally. First aid in case of stuttering. You get all the information, materials, and hours of practical learning together for the concrete result. The emphasis of our sessions is given to a practice of the student himself with other people. The student doesn't pass to the next lesson until he completely learns the previous one. A lot of time is provided to analyze the ways and knowledge to make your speech much better and automatic during the first month of our training sessions.